The best teams have agency over their work. At samespace, we believe that success comes from giving every person the freedom to excel without constant oversight. To do that, we knew we needed something different, something designed with privacy at the core, built by the very people who would be using it. No invasive tracking, no sensitive data sent off to the cloud, just clear insights that make everyone motivated and accountable. Pulse is that something different. Pulse is a productivity management tool built from the ground up with generative AI. It analyzes data on device, adapting to each individual to understand what's truly meaningful so that teams can grow and succeed. This series, Pulse 101, will guide you through everything you need to know, from setting up custom workflows to gathering the insights that matter most. We're here to help you build a culture of accountability with respect and transparency. Your journey with Pulse starts right now. Let's get started.